Weather and climate. When we go on a vacation, we always plan trip based on the weather of the place we are visiting. Like, if you are going to Goa, you will take cotton cloth, sunscreen, etc. If you are going to a hill station, you would take some warm clothing like sweaters, jackets, etc. So, we can have overall idea of weather of any place, like whether it is hot or cold place. We often hear weather forecast on television or read it in newspaper. It tells whether day would be sunny or cloudy, whether there would be rain, storm, etc. We often find forecast for upcoming days also. The sun is responsible for weather. Earth's surface, ocean, atmosphere, etc. absorbs heat from sun. But not all places get equal opportunity for this. Means some places receive more sunlight, means more heat. Some places receive less. Places which receive less heat obviously would be colder. Temperature is not same throughout the day. Early morning close to sunrise is the coldest because surface has been losing heat all night and turned cold. The cold surface made air near the surface cold too. So early mornings are the coldest. Afternoon time generally is the warmest time as the surface has been receiving sunlight for many hours, so it is hot now. Temperature may differ a lot month to month, but in any month, temperature of different days remains comparatively similar. In December, it remains low. In summer, it is high. We can easily see it in the graph. Temperature of 5 days are plotted. Observe closely. The temperature plotted are not same but almost similar. But there may be huge difference in temperature in different places. Look at the difference of temperature between Kolkata, Hyderabad, Delhi, Srinagar on a day in December. Kolkata 11 degrees Celsius, Hyderabad 22 degrees Celsius, New Delhi 4 degrees Celsius, Srinagar -2 degrees Celsius. So we see there is huge difference between the temperatures in these cities. Now, the general weather condition that prevails in an area makes its climate. Like, no matter when we go to Goa, it would be warm. Sometimes very hot like in July, sometimes relatively cooler like in December. But overall climate is warm and we can wear cotton clothes throughout the year in Goa. Some places receive huge rainfall, some places very little. Means some places have wet climate such as northeast India, Kerala. Some places have dry weather such as Rajasthan, Gujarat, etc. I am going to Thiruvananthapuram and my friend is going to Srinagar. It is November. Weather is sunny in Thiruvananthapuram. Weather in Srinagar is very cold and temperature is almost close to 0 degree. Look at the table. Not only in temperature, there is a huge gap in rainfall too. Thiruvananthapuram can be said as a hot and wet place. But Srinagar is moderately hot as temperature touches 30 degree in July and much less rainfall. Look at West India. Rajasthan, Gujarat, part of Maharashtra, etc. get too little rainfall means dry place and climate can be classified as hot too. This means hot and dry. So, that was all about weather and climate. Bye bye.